well today, if this wind dies down, not fighting the crosswind, there's a possibility that today he could break that 50-second mark. All right, now we have up Ty Burlington in the red wagon in lane 1, number 20 in the 1967 Cessna 180. This is the heaviest aircraft in the instance.
Stop down at the left end, correct?
That is exactly right. And part of that braking is knowing when to pull the throttle so that they don't go too far out of the road. So what happens is you can and as soon as you do that, you've taken yourself out of the race. He's a retired heavy equipment mechanic, retired in 2020 now, and flying STOL kind of full-time as his hobby, going around doing all the traditional STOL and STOL drag competitions. He has the lightest aircraft in the entire field, weighing in about 600 pounds. Yesterday we had some issues with him where he'll stay parked away from all the other planes because he can get into wake turbulence and not be able to control that plane very quickly. Hal is sponsored by Sierra Aero and Motive Aero, which are divisions of Rotax. He's flying a Frankenstein 915. And what that is that it doesn't have a turbo presently. Stockman number 3 with the lawnmower, the white aircraft. He also has a manual beta. He's the only one in the class that has manual beta that's not hydraulic.
Airmen, men and women, and Rickenbacker itself has 5,500 people in the Army, Navy, and Marine Corps. So we're very proud to be down here, and big, huge thanks to Scott's for presenting this, and Herb Gillen Air Shows for putting it on. Just an incredible day, great day for flying, and we're just happy to be a part of it.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, Colonel Scott Lurden from the 121st Air Refueling Wing.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. And as we just heard about the name Scott's, we're going to introduce now a gentleman who has really stepped up to the plate to become the presenting sponsor. Please welcome Jim Hagedorn from Scott's.
Hey everybody, have a great air show.
Perfect timing.
Perfect time. I didn't get the hook, I'm the big guy.
No, you didn't. Jim Hagedorn, everybody.
Thanks everybody, have a good air show.
Thank you, sir. Wow, thank you to all. The people have made it happen. Luke Carrico, we've got some great flyers coming up, starting with Rob Holland. And look at it as we see this KC-135R Stratotanker. Take a look at it, ladies and gentlemen. There are over 800 of these that were built between 1957 and 1965. 400 of them were re-outfitted with brand spanking new engines called the CM56 that made them, give them greater legs and longevity in the air, more fuel efficient. They can pass 300, well, they call it passing gas, I guess, right?
Yeah, that's the unofficial term.
That's right.
What's so amazing about this aircraft, Rob, is the fact that it's actually remarkably old and still going strong 60 plus years later, as you mentioned, first entering the service back in 1957. And as you said, Rob, this is an aircraft whose job is to fly up, usually at altitudes close to 35, 40,000 feet, and actually refuel other aircraft in flight around 400 miles an hour.